In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple Maps directions not available. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, as Apple Maps requires an internet connection to calculate routes. Next, verify that location services are turned on by going to settings. Scroll all the way down and head over to the option privacy and security. Click on location services. Toggle on for this option. Find Apple Maps and launch it. Check in for the option while using app. Next up, double check that both your starting point and destination are entered correctly and try selecting a different travel mode such as driving, walking or transit, since some transportation options may be available in every area. If the issue persists, first close Apple Maps and reopen it, then restart your iPhone to clear any temporary glitches. Likewise, check for your device update. So launch settings. Go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it, as software updates often include fixes for maps related issues. Next, head back, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset location and privacy. Complete this process. With these, your problem might be fixed, or else what you wanna do is completely delete Apple Maps from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.